Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a style bundle unboxing. I haven't done one of these in quite some time. I haven't really been buying clothes for myself in general either, so I'm really excited for this style bundle. So this is what it looks like. I got it from shopbundlebrat.com and they have like different options. They have like two versions of the small bundles, and they have like a medium and like a large / premium style bundle. And I went to order one. They didn't have the medium and the premium in stock, so I just went with the small bundle. I believe it's just like one outfit and like accessories and stuff. This version of the small bundle was $40 including shipping, which I think is a pretty good deal. I'll put their website in the description box, and I pretty much just bought it and then I just filled out like a Google form, and they have a bunch of questions there that you answer relating to your style and what you're looking for, your likes, your dislikes. I pretty much asked for a like Y2K hottie / euphoria glamour type of look. I pretty much said I'm open to a lot of things like low-waisted, high-waisted, mid-rise, crop tops, lingerie, hoodies, like pretty much anything I'm really open to. I think the only thing I said that I don't really want is plaid. Probably a couple more things, but so this is what it looks like. So it says scan your QR code for your personal Brat magazine, where we explain how we picked out your entire bundle. Oh, so instead of like a note, you just scan this code and then it'll explain sort of their reasoning behind putting together this look. So that's pretty cool. So that's pretty much what it looks like. So we're gonna look at that afterwards. All right, so the first thing that I'm pulling out is this Juicy Couture crop top, and it just says Juicy on it with rhinestones. It's really cute. I love these sort of like tops. You can literally match this like with anything, so that's really cute. Oh, they went off. They definitely went off. This is so cute. This is like a mini skirt, but it has these like little rhinestones, and it ties in the back, so it kind of looks like a little thong. So it's like a built-in sort of thong, but not really. I can already see the Juicy top and this going together perfectly. A perfect little mini bag. That's what that looks like. And then the last thing is like this like brown colored jacket, and it has like faux fur in the inside. And this is actually really perfect because it's a winter over here on the East Coast, and that's what that looks like. And this will definitely keep me warm. So now I'm just gonna open the little goodie bag. So the first thing is these like blue tint sunglasses, and these like hair clips. These are really cute. Silver hoops, and I think this is like a bracelet maybe. That's what that looks like. It says Brat. It's like a little charm bracelet, which I have a little charm bracelet on right now. So yeah, this is so cute. This is in like gold. Oh, this is really cute. This is a little mirror, but it says Bundle Brat since that's their brand. And then we have a little lip gloss. Oh, this is really pretty. Lollipop. And then they gave me some stickers. That's what it looks like. And then they gave me a face mask, another lollipop, and then they gave 2 pink butterfly hair clips, and then they gave me a little scrunchie. So that's pretty much everything in my bundle. So now I'm going to try everything on and see how everything fits, and I will say my final thoughts at the end. This is what the outfit looks like. I honestly love this so much. I hope I am wearing this right. I never own one of these, but I think they're so cute and they always look so good on everyone. Everything fits me perfectly. This is what the back looks like. I just like tied it, and this is what it looks like with the jacket on. It has some little faux fur like detailing at the bottom on the cuffs, and then the inside. This is honestly super simple, but it's so cute. And then this is like the purse, which I can wear with the outfit, but honestly I think just this looks really good. So now I'm going to wrap up my thoughts of the style bundle. Everything fits me, so I think they did great on the sizing, and I think it's definitely well worth the price. This bundle was $40 including shipping, which I think is pretty great. And then I just like how everything's just super like personalized, how like they did this like QR code. Like that is so cool, and I just never seen anyone else do something like that. And I will link their website in the description box, shopbundlebrat.com, so you can check them out, support small businesses. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.